Hey Dazzlers, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant handmade gift ideas that you can make for yourself or for someone special. Now let's get started. For gift idea number 1, I'm using Dollar Tree bathroom accessories and rub-on transfer letters. My Dollar Tree only had dispensers with white plastic pumps, so I decided to swap those out with these chrome colored pumps that I already had at home. To protect my transfer letters, I'm adding 2 thin coats of gloss glaze that I picked up for about $2 from my local pop shelf. The following day, I lightly sanded the bottom of my bathroom accessories and then wiped them down again with rubbing alcohol. To complete the project, I added super cute Dollar Tree heart-shaped ornaments to my soap and lotion dispensers, and here's how gift idea number 1 turned out. For gift idea number 2, I'm using 3 of these really pretty Dollar Tree glass jars with rose gold metal lids. I made a hole in the center of my lid, added some Dollar Tree silver pearl wrap, and another one of the chrome colored pumps to the lid as well. I want to be able to use these for different purposes, so for now, I'm only adding these removable Dollar Tree silver stickers. These pretty glass jars can be customized to hold candy, sanitizers, soaps, candles. The possibilities are endless. For gift idea number 3, I'm using 1 pack of these 7x2" and 5 packs of these 4x4" wood planks that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Here's how I made a wooden box with these wood planks, some Dollar Tree wood dowels, and a few inexpensive hinges that I picked up from my local hardware store. Now that I've made my wooden box, it's time to decorate. I've decided to add mirrors to my wooden box, so I'll have to add nails so that the doors can hold the weight of the mirrors. The nails that came with these hinges are a bit too long for this project, so here I've added some flat washers to prevent the nails from going all the way through to the other side of the wood. I added 2 coats of silver acrylic paint, and I used Mod Podge to add silver extra fine glitter as well. Once my box was completely dry, I used a strong adhesive and hot glue to adhere 5 of these 4.5-inch Dollar Tree square mirrors. To complete the project, I glued an inexpensive barrel bolt to the front of my box, added another one of the Dollar Tree heart ornaments, and here's how gift idea number 3 turned out. I really like how this box turned out. I think it's super cute. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.